From carefully ripened fruit, the journey to thick fig jam begins. Healthy figs are selected for processing. Gentle handling protects the fruit before it reaches the factory. The freshly harvested figs now begin their controlled journey to production. Inside this facility, thousands of figs will become a uniform finished product. Production starts the moment the harvested fruit enters controlled handling. Every incoming batch is identified before processing begins. Accurate weighing keeps every production stage precisely balanced. Now the fruit moves from farm handling into industrial preparation. Now the fruit moves from farm handling into industrial preparation. The first industrial step is a thorough wash. Gentle brushes clean the delicate fruit without crushing it. Excess water is removed before precision sorting begins. Gentle brushes clean the delicate fruit without crushing it.
Every fig is inspected before entering the recipe.
Defective fruit is separated before it reaches the processing line. Automated vision adds another layer of precision to the selection process.
Consistent fruit size helps the next stages process evenly.
Final preparation brings the fruit closer to its transformation.
With cleaning and sorting complete, the figs are ready for transformation. The prepared figs now enter the heart of the processing line. Cutting increases the surface area needed for efficient extraction. The fruit is reduced into a dense, uniform mash. A closed sanitary system moves the fruit without exposing it to contamination. Fine separation turns the crushed fruit into a smoother base.
The refined pulp is held under controlled conditions before cooking.
Precise ingredient proportions establish the jam's final character. The blended fruit is now ready for controlled heat. Controlled cooking will concentrate the fruit into thick, rich fig jam. Controlled heat begins concentrating the fruit into its final texture. Automation keeps heat and mixing within tightly controlled limits. Vacuum concentration removes moisture while protecting the fruit's rich character. Recovered vapor and controlled cooling keep the concentration process efficient. Recovered vapor and controlled cooling keep the concentration process efficient. Continuous movement prevents scorching while the jam steadily thickens. Sensors verify that the developing jam is reaching its target consistency. Precise adjustments keep every batch consistent from start to finish. The transformation is nearly complete as the jam reaches its finished body. From here, the jam enters its final conditioning and finishing stages. Controlled finishing creates the thick texture expected from premium fig jam. Temperature is precisely balanced for safe and efficient filling. A final controlled filtration protects consistency without removing the fruit's character. Clean containers are positioned precisely for high-speed filling. Each jar receives a precise portion of the finished fig jam. Every jar is securely closed to protect the finished product.
Automated inspection catches sealing problems before packaging continues.
Cooling stabilizes the sealed product before labeling. With finishing complete, every jar moves toward final quality verification.
Before release, every batch passes through final quality checks.
Representative samples are taken directly from the finished production batch. In the lab, the finished jam is tested against strict specifications.
Color and texture reveal whether the cooking process achieved the intended result.
Soluble solids testing confirms the concentration of the finished jam. Acidity is measured to verify the batch remains within its required specification. Viscosity testing confirms the characteristic thick body of the jam.
Routine microbiological checks provide another layer of product safety verification.
Once the results meet specification, the batch is cleared for release. Quality approved, the finished fig jam is ready for final packaging and dispatch.
The approved jars now enter their final protective packaging stage.
Each carton is packed to a precise configuration for transport.
Sealed cartons protect the finished jars throughout the supply chain. Every shipment carries traceable information back to its production batch.
Finished cartons are organized into stable pallets for warehouse storage. Protective wrapping keeps the shipment secure during handling and transport.
The finished product is stored in an organized, traceable inventory system.
When an order is ready, the finished jam moves directly toward distribution. And this is how modern factories produce thick purple fig jam from start to finish.